Eat potatoes this way to avoid blood sugar spikes. Picture this. You're sitting down to enjoy a steaming plate of buttery mashed potatoes, crispy roasted wedges, or even golden fries, but without that nagging worry about blood sugar spikes. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn potatoes into a blood sugar-friendly powerhouse using the magic of resistant starch. This science-backed hack not only makes potatoes healthier but could also reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. Stick with me. You'll never look at potatoes the same way again. Hi there, and welcome to Healthy Habits. Potatoes often get a bad reputation for being high carb and raising blood sugar levels, but they're also loaded with essential nutrients. The key lies in how you prepare them. In this video, we'll explore how resistant starch can transform potatoes into a health-friendly option. You'll learn 1. What resistant starch is, and why is it great for you? 2. How cooking and cooling potatoes the right way unlocks their hidden benefits. 3. And even some simple recipes you can try at home. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to enjoy potatoes in a way that supports your health without sacrificing taste. Let's dive in. 1. Why potatoes get a bad rap. Potatoes are one of the most consumed foods worldwide, but they're often vilified in health discussions. Here's why. 1. They're high in rapidly digestible starches, which break down quickly into glucose in your bloodstream. 2. This causes a sharp rise in blood sugar, followed by a rapid drop, leaving you tired, hungry, and craving more carbs. 3. Over time, these spikes can strain your pancreas, increase insulin resistance, and contribute to type 2 diabetes. But what if I told you that this doesn't have to be the case? The way you prepare your potatoes can drastically change how your body reacts to them. Scenario. Imagine eating a plate of French fries for lunch. 2 hours later, you feel sluggish and hungry again. Imagine eating potatoes prepared the right way, with your energy staying steady throughout the afternoon. That's the difference we're talking about. 2. Meat-resistant starch. The secret ingredient. So, what is resistant starch, and why is it a game-changer? 1. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrates that resists digestion in your small intestine. 1. Instead of turning into glucose, it ferments in your gut. 2. This fermentation produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which improve gut health, regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and even support weight management. Fun fact. Raw potatoes contain up to 59% resistant starch by dry weight. But here's the catch, traditional cooking methods destroy most of it. Thankfully, there's a way to preserve it, and I'll show you how. 3. The best cooking method for stable blood sugar. Here's where the magic happens: microwaving and freezing your potatoes. This simple process preserves resistant starch and makes your potatoes healthier. 1. Step 1. Cook your potatoes in the microwave instead of boiling or frying them. 1. This retains more resistant starch. 2. Step 2. After cooking, freeze the potatoes for several hours or overnight. 2. Freezing changes the structure of the starch, turning it into a more resistant form. 3. Step 3. When ready to eat, defrost or lightly reheat them. This method can lower the glycemic impact of your potatoes significantly, helping you avoid those sugar spikes. Calculation example. A cup of traditional mashed potatoes might spike your blood sugar by 50-60 mg per deciliter. Using this method, the spike can drop by 15-20 mg per deciliter, a major improvement. 4. Why it works. The science of gelatinization. Let's break down the science. When potatoes are cooked, their starch molecules gelatinize, turning into a rapidly digestible form. Cooling or freezing reverses this process, recrystallizing the starch into a resistant form. Think of it as transforming the potato into a slow-release carb. Bonus tip. Pair your potatoes with a healthy fat like olive oil or a protein-rich food like grilled chicken. This combination further slows digestion, keeping your blood sugar stable for hours. 5. Simple potato recipes to try. Let's put this into practice with a couple of easy recipes. 1. Resistant starch potato salad. Cook and cool potatoes as described. Toss them with Greek yogurt, mustard, dill, and chopped celery for a refreshing, gut-friendly dish. 2. Microwave potato fries. Slice potatoes into wedges, microwave until tender, freeze, then lightly bake for crispy, guilt-free fries. 3. Breakfast hash. Use pre-cooked and cooled potatoes, pan fry with olive oil, onions, and bell peppers for a delicious and balanced start to your day. Each recipe is designed to maximize resistant starch while keeping your meals tasty and satisfying. 6. What about raw potatoes? You might be wondering, why not just eat raw potatoes since they're naturally high in resistant starch? While raw potatoes do contain a lot of resistant starch, they can be hard to digest and don't taste great. Cooking and cooling them is the best way to balance taste, nutrition, and digestibility. And there you have it. By understanding resistant starch and preparing potatoes the right way, you can enjoy this beloved food without the blood sugar roller coaster. Try these methods and recipes, and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Together, let's make healthy eating simple and delicious. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.